Okay, let's dive right into this explainer and tackle literally the biggest question content creators are asking right now. So, we've all seen the absolute magic Google's NotebookLM can pull off, right? Those viral podcast style audio overviews and the long form cinematic videos are everywhere. But there is a massive elephant in the room when we talk about modern content creation, and that is short form vertical video. So, you're probably wondering, can you actually use NotebookLM to build a pipeline for YouTube Shorts?
Look, if you're a creator, you already know the absolute grind of feeding the algorithm. You have to constantly brainstorm, script, film, and edit vertical content just to stay relevant. It is totally exhausting. But I am super thrilled to answer this burning question with a massive, resounding yes. Thanks to an update in early July 2026, Notebook LM rolled out a feature specifically designed for this. It literally turns your dense documents into super engaging, bite-sized vertical videos. Now, the absolute crucial point here is the number 60. Notebook LM's short video overviews feature is strictly capped at roughly a 60-second limit. And this isn't just some random restriction, okay? It's a highly deliberate mobile-first design choice formatted in that classic 9:16 vertical ratio. It's built for the exact muscle memory that carries us through TikTok, Instagram Reels, and of course, YouTube Shorts.
Section 1, the vertical video era. So Google has fully recognized the undeniable power of the endless mobile scroll. And that's led to a really stark contrast in Notebook LM's video options. On one side, we've got the 16:9 cinematic video overviews. These are powered by those heavy-duty VO3 and Gemini models. They're immersive, they run for several minutes, and they really let complex ideas breathe. They're perfect for a deep dive desktop review. But on the flip side, the 9:16 short video overviews force a ruthless, highly effective compression. They essentially take your entire mountain of research and squeeze it down to a single core insight that fits right in the palm of your hand. You know, you might think that stripping a huge document down to just 60 seconds is a weakness, but it's actually this format's greatest strength. The AI is basically forced to act as a ruthless editor. See, Notebook LM reads across everything in your notebook, which, by the way, can hold up to a massive 1 million token context window, and it isolates just one narrative that will land perfectly in 60 seconds. It gives you one hook, one piece of key evidence, and one takeaway. It's creating a micro-learning masterclass instead of a rambling deep dive. Section 2, Meet Nano Banana 2 Lite. Okay, let's take a look at the hilariously named technology that actually brings these vertical visuals to life. And yes, you are reading that right. It's called Nano Banana 2 Lite. Despite the delightfully goofy name, this is a highly optimized, lightweight visual rendering engine built by Google specifically for fast, vertical, mobile video. It's the visual renderer that pairs perfectly with Notebook LM's back-end brain, which is known as the anti-gravity reasoning engine. So anti-gravity does the heavy thinking to extract the core concept from your sources, and then Nano Banana 2 Lite swoops in to pull the charts, diagrams, and text callouts, animating them to match the narration in a flawless 9:16 frame. Section 3, the 5-minute shorts pipeline. Let's break down the exact step-by-step workflow you can use to churn out shorts in just minutes. Here is your 5-minute pipeline. Step 1, import your sources. This is where it gets crazy. You can literally paste in a competitor's YouTube link, so the AI reverse engineers their transcript. Step 2, in the Studio panel, just select the short video overview format for that vertical 9:16 output. Step 3, set your visual style. You can pick from looks like whiteboard, anime, watercolor, papercraft, or kawaii, depending on your brand's whole vibe. Step 4, add a steering prompt. Tell the AI exactly who the audience is and what the single most important takeaway needs to be. And finally, step 5, hit generate, and just watch the AI build a complete video with narration, generated visuals, and on-screen text. Now hold your horses. Before you start dumping the entire internet into Notebook LM, you really need to pay close attention to these technical limits, especially if you're on the free tier. You can have up to 50 sources per notebook. Each uploaded source can be up to 200 megabytes or 500,000 words, but here is the most critical detail for video creators. If you're importing YouTube links to analyze trends or summarize content, those YouTube videos absolutely must have captions. They can be user-uploaded or auto-generated, but they have to be there. Notebook LM actually imports the text transcript, not the video file itself, so without captions, the AI is completely blind.
Section 4, the YouTube Monetization Trap.
Okay, this is where we need a massive reality check. We've talked a lot about the incredible speed and ease of this pipeline, but we really have to shift the tone from hype to strategy right now. If your plan is to just click generate 50 times a day and spam pure AI videos onto a faceless YouTube channel, you need to stop. YouTube is actively penalizing what the industry is calling AI slop. Channels that just pump out pure AI-generated content without any human curation, editing, or unique value add are on a fast track to getting demonetized or, honestly, never getting monetized in the first place. And hey, if you think you can just sneak it past the algorithm, think again. The sources reveal a hidden danger here. Google actually embeds a Voice ID watermark right in the background of the AI's audio track. This means the literal second you upload that video, YouTube's system instantly knows it came from NotebookLM. They are perfectly aware of exactly how the video was made. Section 5. Winning the Shorts algorithm. So, if YouTube knows you're using AI and they actively penalize lazy content, how do we actually use this pipeline safely to scale our channels and build real revenue streams? Well, the key here is using NotebookLM strictly as a tool for production efficiency, not as a total human replacement. You absolutely must apply your own editorial judgment. This means you have to do the hard work of finding the best research, selecting the exact right pain points to focus on, and writing highly specific steering prompts. You've got to add your unique human perspective. In fact, one amazing pro tip from power users is to utilize NotebookLM just for the audio overview, generating that really natural podcast-style voiceover, and then laying that audio track over your own unique human-edited B-roll visuals or gameplay. You can then connect this content to external platforms like maybe a Beehive newsletter or a Make.com automation sequence, basically building a real business around the content rather than just relying on ad revenue. I really want to leave you with this final provocative thought. As we enter a world where a polished 60-second vertical video can be researched, scripted, and completely rendered in just 5 minutes, if the AI generates the video, what makes the channel yours? Your taste, your curation, and your unique perspective are literally the only things that will separate you from an endless sea of automated content. So use NotebookLM to do the heavy lifting, absolutely, but make sure your human fingerprint is on every single short you upload.